Out here in our māla, in our jungle, in our big backyard, today we're clearing and weeding and cutting back on all the things that do not serve our yard or the jungle. And as I was working through all the weeds, weed whacking and cutting things, my wife says to me, look out for baby papaya plants. Be careful not to weed whack them or cut them, which then made me slow down on my weed whacking. It actually forced me to stop weed whacking and start doing things, clearing, weeding by hand. And sure enough, amongst all the weeds, I found several baby papaya plants. And I'm so glad that she had given me the heads up on that, because then I was able to slow down and put my weed whacker down and do things manually. So what is today's message on Breathe Aloha? While I'm doing this work here on the sacred property, on the sacred land, it reminds me to how important it is to slow down. And when we slow down, that's when we get to really see things clearly in life, appreciate things, people, experiences in life when we slow down. Let's face it, we live in a fast-paced world. However, we do have the choice to slow down from time to time. And for me and for Lahela, we have been more so mindful. I feel like even more so now we're both in midlife, right? We are appreciating the quiet times a lot more. And for us, that is breathing aloha. Breathing aloha is slowing down and taking the time to appreciate what's really, really important. So today I'm so grateful, number one, that that I get to māla, take care of this beautiful land that we get to live on and steward. And two, that my wife gently said to me, hey, please be on the lookout for baby papaya plants that may be growing in the bush. Look at this place, guys, right in the bushes. And because of that message, it pretty much, I just said, okay, I'm going to put down my awesome, amazing weed whacker and do things by hand, taking things slowly. And lo and behold, sure enough, the miracles, the gifts of the aina of the land show up, because I took the time to just pretty much put a break and stop and do things by hand and take my time. I hope that this message helps you at this moment that you're watching this video, because it is a reminder that we can breathe aloha by simply making a choice to slow down, or maybe even put things to a halt to help us appreciate life even more. Thanks so much for popping in, and I'm going to get back to it because I have a feeling that there are many more baby papaya plants waiting to be discovered. So thank you again for being here. Remember to breathe aloha. You are supported and loved. Ahui ho for now.